guys, it's Hayley Hobson, and today I want to talk to you about getting organized in your life. It is such an important subject if you want to move through your day, your week, your month, your year with ease, literally with ease. When we have disorganization around us, or chaos, even worse, it literally causes our brain to be clogged up, and we don't move around with as much grace. So some of the ways that I like to keep organized are in situations in my house, in my business, on my computer with my calendar, and I'll talk to you a little bit about that. Well, computer maybe first. Emails, insane. I just had a guy come to fix my hard drive the other day, and he told me I'm literally sending out an average of about 1,000 emails a week. That's crazy, right? So you can imagine how much content is coming in and out of my box. So I've got to create folders, I've got to create subfolders within folders, I've got to be able to instigate messages that have specific keywords that I can track. You also want to keep your desk and your closets and your drawers organized as well. I do a quarterly cleanse in my house where I'm getting rid of, purging, throwing out, donating things that I don't use anymore, whether it's literally in my personal closet or my kids' rooms, or it's in our kitchen cabinets, our cupboards. The less you have, the more freedom you have in your life, honestly. The less you have, the more free space you have. And I know that you have creativity that flows better when you don't feel cluttered. Another place to do that, besides in your computers, besides in your closet, is also getting organized in your calendar. Calendar everything. Do you know that I literally calendar even when I go to the gym? I calendar when I have a meeting with my husband. If it's not on my calendar, I forget because there's so much going on, and my calendar can send me reminders so I can stay super organized where I am. Another thing that I love to stay organized with are my goals. I have a journal that I start every January, and I map out what my goals are and what my tasks are and where I'm going literally every day. And I also brain dump. I like journals that have a lot of space to creatively write what I'm grateful for and what I want to achieve and what my biggest accomplishment was, or where I can be better, where I can learn more, what I learned from every situation. So calendaring, journaling are great ideas to keep you organized. Anyway, remember you guys that when your space is decluttered everywhere, when you are more organized, you will feel less stressed, you will feel more at ease, you will feel more balanced, and you will shine brighter, literally. For more information about me or to see what else I'm about, come on over to my social media channels, Facebook, Instagram, and come on over to my website, HayleyHobson.com.